We might be about juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for Northern and then what say assemble Kwadua Reverend Kusi Boateng the born and Kupio court and the court about assembly attribute. My asa award the Reverend Kusi Boateng cost of 10,000 Ghana cedi. Yedi a chichimuno ebe Bremo. Saso and Okudzeto Ablakwa Kupio US abrichimemu. Na consultant yetua $6 million man for the National Cathedral address papa de beto abonten no de Okudzeto akopie baabi ama nsem bebre aba na ansa na yebekọ nsem we nyina no let's say so subscribe to the channel na let's say over subscribe o click subscribe button na wa bell notification no we na sa video fufuru bi a ebe upload no wo so wonsa ebeka bi afọ wi na wa like video no my thumbs up na fi share ama ofoforo so enya bi ahwe Afriyie nko ensimimo Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for Northern Reverend Kusi Boateng on the secretary to the trustees of the National Cathedral or the kwadu ebo Okudzeto Ablakwa emekupi wo court contempt case court kwa setena no judge tena dwemo ehwe ensem no lutun se Reverend Kusi Boateng odi nyina so ema yebo asem no atoagu na yehwe story no a beto dwa na ewo screen no so or say court dismisses Reverend Kusi Boateng's contempt case against Northern MP slaps him with 10,000 Ghana cedi. Now I am call details of the story. The Accra High Court has dismissed a contempt case filed against Northern MP Mr. Okudzeto Ablakwa by the Secretary to the Board of Trustees of the National Cathedral of Ghana, Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng. The court has therefore awarded 10,000 Ghana cedi cost against the complainant after the judge dismissed the case on the grounds that the evidence presented by the Secretary to the Board of Trustees of the National Cathedral of Ghana was fraught with inconsistencies and doubts, therefore failed to meet the legal standard of proof beyond reasonable doubt. Not to say asema Reverend Kusi Boateng de koda court senka yefa Okudzeto Ablakwa entumuno court na hwe nsem no hu se nyina so ni evidence odi betu dwa no ensisi so se de emra na kire no enti wanabo asem no atogu ama afi so wana asa award cost of 10,000 Ghana cedi against Reverend Kusi Boateng. Amunye ni se Reverend Kusi Boateng nsensem Okudzeto ene de sanse mu nyina ebetu dwa se papa ni din akoye bebre the passport, Ghana card, date of birth, nsem bebre. Eba also business or register so na just say omami din akoye mienu ni nyina Okudzeto ene de sanse mu nyina ebetu dwa. Na namano so ena Reverend Kusi Boateng edi Okudzeto court contempt case bia or the ball no na no na sisi abeto abontin se seminal court abo atogu na answer na no abra yakosama Okudzeto no one day samakata no koma no sabre na wo Net2 TV a wo di nduma na opie na court ni obuhia no de ma na Okudzeto de na ebo krata ntu ba bi se mo ma menwe me ho ai na no nyina ekopie ewo court na wotwa asem no so say Reverend Kusi Boateng filed a motion praying the court to commit Mr. Ablakwa to prison for his conduct. Not just say subai no den de no kayemfa no entumu. Or say the Northern lawmaker is alleged to have kicked a rate. Eno obo sa rate no etotwe ye omde ma no so no formal sem enko no ho a Okudzeto eden na board kicked a rate meant to be served on him by a court bailiff on Friday, February 3rd. He had given the pretext that he was on his way to Parliament when the bailiff approached him at the forecourt of Accra-based Net2 TV to be served Reverend Kusi Boateng's rate. Let us say no Net2 TV. Abre no Net2 TV na court bailiff ko say what the samakrata no kumana bufu ya ode na bobo krata no to be say mo menwe no. Na chese ene de abepi mu ne se asem Reverend Kusi Boateng de koda court no na opesen ka yede Okudzeto Ablakwa etumu no court abo asem no nyina tuagu ama sese ya awodo no cost of 10,000 Ghana cedi na asem we ebeto dwa no Okudzeto Ablakwa Asia Central for Pifi Court them na Central for Ebushia no na wane bisa nsem na wode ensem atudwa yetie eye ensem eye Okudzeto Ablakwa aditudwa abra Oshia eye Central for yetie na no di sem.
First of all, thank the Almighty for this significant juncture in the series of exposés that we have been carrying out. I would also like to thank the National Democratic Congress, led by our General Secretary. You have seen former ministers, Dr. Omane Boama. You have seen the regional wing of our party, led by our chairman, Agbavito. You've seen the North-Town support, led by our chairman, Chairman CKT, our Queen Mothers, the chiefs, constituency executives, and most importantly, my colleagues in the House who have really stood by me throughout. I would like to thank all of them, and also the people of Ghana who have remained resolute behind the truth and behind justice. Clearly, the judgment is very sound. You see that even in the case that they brought, it was fraught with all kinds of inconsistencies, irregularities. You had the erudite judgment of the respected judge. At this point, we want to make it clear that what we are doing by way of exposing the rot and the canker is not just for partisan gain. As our General Secretary has said, it's about the soul of our country. It's about truth, it's about justice, and it's about protecting the public purse. We cannot have people conduct themselves in ways that brings not only our country, but even the Christian faith into disrepute. People hiding under the cover of religion to perpetrate crime. We cannot accept that. And that is what continues to drive us. So we want to assure you that we remain unperturbed. We have rather been motivated by the series of developments, the attempt to gag us. We have our resolve strengthened, and the Ghanaian people can expect even a more determined and dogged effort to expose the rot, the canker, do what is right, and make sure that at the end of the day, it is the preservation of our democracy, the preservation of justice, of freedom and accountability that reigns supreme. So we thank you very much. We thank you in the media also for all the support that you have given us. The battle continues, and we pray that the good Lord will continue to bless our efforts. Thank you very much.
Yo, etifo weni and somewhere Okudzeto Ablakwa Ekaye Abra Oshia Central for you assembly on Central for aiding come just do what is right. Na yentoa eye ensemnufu Okudzeto Kuya okupiwo eye US abochibon na eye consultant ayefa no for the National Cathedral ayetuanka eye $6 million or the address be to Ghana wo eye Cathedral on the website no na no na Okudzeto Ablakwa di echiri na this address ni chino edini kopie eye warehouse na yenhwe eye story no a ebetuga efa eye sasem enu na ewo screen so say National Cathedral consultant paid $6 million operate from a warehouse. Okudzeto Ablakwa reveals. Yenhwe details no say Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for North-Town has disclosed that an American consultant to the National Cathedral project gave an official address that leads to a warehouse. Be a for consultant, no address already to Gyamfi. Mono Akopi warehouse. The MP, on a visit to the United States, decided to dig into the affairs of the project, which he had long described as scandalous, sleazy project that government has used to misappropriate state funds. Carly Summers, the said consultant, gave an official address of his Aremeyaw group to the National Cathedral as 3119 S. Cynic, AVE Avenue, Suite A, Springfield, MO65807. Let's say address a consultant I friend Carolee Summers or the two no. Ablakwa said when he visited the facility during his trip, he saw no office, but rather a ramshackle warehouse with the inscription. Omefa eye mfunino entugana muhu the Expóse ano and a wall screen so or say ramshackle warehouse with the inscription Churchill Coffee Company Wholesale Division and on a wall screen so I just say address no provided no Okudzeto Ablakwa bi echire no de ekupie no just say okupie so no and na ungina ho twitwa pictures Okudzeto and the gina ase ho signpost no and the wall soro ho no Churchill yet was well or say we also decided to embark on the long travel to Springfield in Missouri, where Mr. Carolee Summers, who has been given $6 million of our money, is described on the National Cathedral of Ghana website as consultant for the United States. When we arrived at that address, there was nothing about Aremeyaw Group. We surprisingly saw quite a ramshackle warehouse with the inscription Churchill Coffee Company, Wholesale Division. Okay, and the was say. While I was assessing the shaky warehouse, which has portions used as a gym. Let's just say a warehouse required only for baby as a gym. Mr. Carolee Summers stepped out of his coffee wholesale division and made into my pictures. Okay, yeah, for some for the to Ghana, at the airport. Just a brow or share the airport and a pay. And on a whole screen so pay free honoma ukran intadi bi awodeko while briskly entering his car in a very casual attire. They say if you need na wo Okudzeto Ablakwa de gina ho no and yes our consultant here friend no ye Carolee Summers epie na say office bi any baby adankoda do wana ye Ghana 419. Now Okudzeto say how on earth did a Aremeyaw Group address with his CEO keeping our colossal $6 million under a bankrupt economy lead us to a warehouse. Sabria omai kwa hihima isika sentuye aye ensem bibra yehu so no. Na yetua sa sika we $6 million. Na address a consultant be provide a warehouse and a kupie. Na say office bia ni bia. Adanko dada dey say wana dada e adiga na sika ye $6 million akwakodi. Now we na Okudzeto edi echire what dey sanse we nyina aba batudwa. This address no de my no ekupie wo warehouse enye office Okudzeto hwese ka obehu office na Aremeyaw Group no or hwese ka obehu sa office no. Now so okupie ho no na say a ramshackle warehouse a chese atiti apansa na nchi bia no ebetimi ebuagu eno na address no de Okudzeto ekupie ho. We ne ensem Okudzeto edi batudwa e wo the Facebook page. Aye insane people. This cathedral crowd so among for kase beya ye fanye national hospital. Aye ti si for crowd abetu just say beya ye fanye national hospital. Etifo ahwefo message say sema to be usuru betimi ache wadwen afa ho. Na me ka say we don't subscribe to the channel na message say obe subscribe. Click subscribe button no. Na like video no na fe wa share ama ofufo so egubi share. Also betimi achire wadwen ewo comment box ni mobete minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.